I'd like to be hopeful that the president will find this opportunity to really address this continuing public health crisis caused by this virus from Wuhan, China, because it has its own economic consequences. And I fear with these economic consequences, it hits more the general public, which is his constituency, and a lot of them are coming from the lower social sector. You would expect that this will really add on to this generational challenge of inequality in our country in terms of compounding really this lack of opportunities, jobs, and social safety nets for these people. But aside from that, and I'd like to really put emphasis on it, when I hear all this Department of Finance report of finances released over 375 billion, $5 billion loans from development assistance. What enters my mind is that I don't think we have institutionalized transparency and accountability in the use of these resources, and I fear that we might have this COVID-19 corruption. And we cannot afford that now because this will be the burden not only of this government but the Filipino people beyond this pandemic. And I fear this, and I think they would like to spend more as interventions. But still, with all these interventions, where are we? Longest lockdown, and our people continue to suffer from increases. No? We have hit 80,000 with 52,000 active cases, and the worst in Southeast Asia right now. It puts fear, but I always look at hopefulness, the opportunity to think that government can really give us a plan. As Michael said, what is the plan moving forward? I believe I believe that government needs to institutionalize transparency. We watch daily their press conferences, but you feel that there is a certain political spin happening in those press conferences. They're trying to manage their narrative, but is it really reflective of the true state of our nation, the true state of this public health crisis that we are in right now? That's why I've said we need really strong accountability on the actions of government and to be transparent also. Imagine where we are at this time, months after the lockdown since March, and we have 80,000 cases with 52,000 active cases. So it's reflective of a certain failure, or maybe because they've never been transparent, and it's all about, at times, political spin that government is doing its job, programs are strong, but not really reflective of the true situation for our country.